Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stick around and subscribe. In today's video, we are going to be talking about my Boxycharm from Ipsy box. This one is for the month of April, so I'm not too far behind. I wanted to get this filmed and hopefully uploaded before April ends, but this is April's box and I am super excited. Like always, I will have the list of prices somewhere floating around me. And I'm very happy to announce that I did receive everything in my box this time. So I was like, oh, thank goodness. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It will charge you in the beginning of the month and then ship out your box. You do get to choose 3 out of your 5 full-size products, which is pretty cool. Anywhere from skincare, from makeup, hair tools, accessories, makeup tools, so much in beauty. And I love it. If you're a makeup content creator, if you are a makeup artist, if you are just trying to build your collection and try new things, or if you just love makeup in general and just love collecting makeup and love trying new things, I think this is a great subscription because the products you get are so good. And you also get access from their like mega shop and drop shop and stuff like that. So it's a lot of discounted products that you would be paying way more for if you would go to like Sephora or Ulta for. So plus there's so many indie brands on there too that I have discovered and love now because I would never have knew about them. I am not sponsored by it. I am just a true fan of it, and so I will link their website down below if you want to check it out and sign up for yourself. It is not affiliated. I have no connection or partnership with Ipsy or Boxycharm. Just wanted to share the information. The 2 products that they chose for me which this was a great choice because I kind of am running out on my other cleanser and I needed one. This is the Deep Cleanser with Red Clay from First Aid Beauty. This is a really nice skincare brand and I'm really excited again that I got this. I probably would have chose it for myself if they wouldn't have picked it for me if I had the option because again, I needed a new cleanser. The one I have is starting to run out. And so yeah, now I have my next cleanser to use. The other product that they chose is it's from, I think it's called In Beauty. In Beauty Project, possibly. It's their slushy hyaluronic acid and bacular serum. I have no idea. I want to see if you can see it. If not, I will list it somewhere, but that's what that is. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, yuzu, and that word. And it's just a moisturizer. I don't know why they're calling it a slushy, but yeah, this is the packaging that it's in. And it comes like a little pump. So if you got this in your box and you have gave it a try, let me know what you think. And then the products that I chose, I feel like it was a lot of skincare, not too much makeup this time around, which is fine. I have a ton of makeup. I also have a lot of skincare, but I go through my skincare way faster than my makeup. So I did pick out the NVO Skin Hydrogel Eye Therapy. They're tear catchers and yeah, hydrates and brightens and illuminates and great things. So I am very excited to give these a try. I feel like I kind of gotten away from using my under eye patches, but I've also don't have any that really like blew me away where I'm like, I feel like I need to just keep putting them on. I love them. They do so much for me. Like I really haven't really seen a difference. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited to give these a try because I know this is a really good brand and a lot of people like their stuff. So we'll see. Summertime is around the corner. We are now in springtime. The weather's coming out and I feel like I just need to shed my winter skin, okay? So I picked out the Lauren's Vanilla Almond Body Scrub. Not that I really need a scrub right now. Like I am obsessed with the Treehouse scrubs, but I am so excited to give this one a try. And it's like, I think like in a tube, kind of like in this type of packaging for what I think I saw on their website. It's like wrapped and everything. So I'm excited to see what it smells like and give it a go. And then last but not least, I did pick out this mascara. It's the No Chill Mascara from Lava, I think it is. Again, never heard this brand before. A lot of these brands I never heard of before. So this is what I'm talking about. It's so exciting to try new brands. I'm not gonna lie, I did dip into this mascara already because I was doing a very like bronzy eye look and I needed a brown mascara, and this was actually the only one I have in my collection because it's in the shade Brown Brun. And it was okay. The color was okay and the formula was okay. It wasn't like anything to like brag about, but it was a nice mascara. It wasn't horrible. There was nothing bad about it. It just really didn't wow me. So because I already opened it, I'm just gonna throw it in with the rest of my mascaras. You can see it has like a rubber brush, and just use it. But yeah, again, it's not a bad mascara. It just wasn't like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever, you know? When you pick out your products, you can add add-ons, and now add-ons are included in your actual box. So before, in the past, when it was just Boxycharm, whenever you would order add-ons, it would come separately. So you would get your normal subscription box, and then separately you would get your add-ons. Now, whatever add-ons you choose at the time of picking out your products, they will be in your box, and you'll get everything all together, which is so good. So I behaved, and I only got 2 items this time, okay? But I feel like I got really good items. So I picked up the Xoxo's Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder, okay? Everyone's been talking about this powder for years now, and I just never got myself to purchase it. I got it in the shade Feathery, which is a sheer light to medium shade. Again, I will list how much I paid for it compared to like what the full price is. So I am super excited. It's full size. This is the inside. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Everyone kept bragging about this powder, so really excited. And then to add to my collection, because I love this creator, I love this influencer, I love her as a person, I love her just as a company owner. I just love her products. Dominique Cosmetics from Christine Dominique, her newer eyeshadow palette. I couldn't believe that they had it as an add-on option, so I snagged it up because I was like, what? This is her essential palette. It's in her newer packaging, which is just feels amazing and looks amazing. I love how she always has quotes in her stuff. So her quote is beauty inside and out. And this does have like a film over the mirror, so you can like take that off. But this is just a nice everyday palette. Is it something I really needed in my collection? No, but the fact that it was from Christine Dominique, her brand, and just the color story, I needed to, okay? I just needed to. I mean, I still wear eyeshadow, maybe not as crazy as I used to, but I still pop on colors, so I grabbed that. That is everything that I got from my Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you still getting Boxycharm subscriptions? What did you get? What do you like? What do you love about it? I would love to chat down below with you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye.